Good morning to all. Welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. After a long time, we are meeting. So today I have come with a new lesson. As you know, I am your language teacher, Tapas sir. Today, I am going to teach you a new lesson that is lesson number 8 for standard 3 students. It is for standard 3 students, lesson number 8. So let's see what is there in lesson number 8. Lesson number 8 is about is MR, that is helping verb. Is MR is helping verb in English grammar. So let's see what is there in this lesson. Is M and R verb. They denote a state of being. They are also called helping verbs. Actually, now I told you, is am are an essential part of a sentence. Without this is and am and are, you cannot write a verb in a continuous form. To show a verb it is continuing, or in general way also to show the verb in present form, you have to use this helping verb is am are. Some examples are: Amit is a firefighter. I am 8 years old. There are beautiful flowers in the vase. Actually, it is not shown in the vase. So, children, here in these sentences, you will find is, am, are plays a vital role. Here, Amit is a firefighter. So is a helping verb or doing verb. I am 8 years old. It is am is also a helping verb in the sentence. There are beautiful flowers in the vase. VASE vase is omitted here. So children, the sentence is there are beautiful flowers in the vase. So are is a helping verb in this sentence. So is, am, are the helping verb, which is important part in a sentence. So through pictures I will show you now, children. You see a child or girl is reading books. The sentence is Latika is a good student. Here is the helping verb which makes the sentence a complete meaningful sentence. Latika is a good student. Now picture number 2, that is a firefighter. Amit is a firefighter. So is also a helping verb here. What is Amit? Amit is a, you can see, if I will omit is, if you will not write is there, it cannot become a meaningful sentence. Amit a firefighter. No. Correct form is Amit is a firefighter. Next comes, okay, a scientist, I think. Yes, I am a scientist. Here this person is saying that what profession he belongs to. He says that I am a scientist. Am is the doing verb or helping verb. Now there are beautiful flowers in the garden. There are beautiful flowers in the garden. Are signifies that there are many number of flowers are there. So there are beautiful flowers in the garden. Are is the doing word or helping verb in the sentence. This girl is laughing. Let's see the sentence. Latika is laughing. Latika, what Latika is doing? She is laughing. Is the helping verb in this sentence. Am is used after pronoun I. Am helping verb is used after pronoun I. So, and next one is is. Is used after singular nouns and pronouns he, she, it. If the noun or pronoun is singular, we will use he, she, it. After it, the helping verb is. Next comes when the noun or pronoun is in plural form, like they, we, you, there we have to use are. Are is used for plural subject. When the subject is pronoun or noun, it doesn't matter, but it is, if it is plural, we have to use helping verb are there. So now it comes the exercise part of this lesson. Bit number A, fill in the blanks with is, am, are or are. So some fill in the blanks are given. I have done the answers for those exercises. Let's start the exercise A. Question number 1. This pear dash juicy. It will be is juicy. This pear is singular, is a fruit. So is, I told you, where the subject is singular, we have to use is. The pear is singular, so we have to use is there. I dash a scientist. I am a scientist. This one also I have told you before that am helping verb is used when the subject is I. Rajat and Surbhi are classmates. Rajat and Surbhi are classmates. Are is used for the subject is in plural form. Rajat and Surbhi are two names, so it is plural. So you have to use are there. Question number 4. He is a chef in this restaurant, or he is a chef in the restaurant. You can say because he is a singular pronoun. Is used here because he is a singular pronoun or singular subject. So is used there. You dash not punctual. You are not punctual. Are is used because you is plural subject. You is plural subject. For plural, as I told you, you have to use are, and here I have used are. Latika is sincere and hardworking. Latika is a singular girl, so is there. What type of girl she is? She is sincere as well as hardworking girl. So in this exercise, I can tell you that is, am and are helping verb which are used for various reasons. Is used for singular subject. Are is used for plural subject. Am is used for only I. I, wherever you find I is there, you use that am. Now bit number B, underline the subject in this sentence. Rachit is training for men's national boxing championship. Rachit is training. Now I told you is used when the subject is singular. Here Rachit is singular. Is training will be the correct form of the verb as well as helping verb. Here is helping verb. Training is main verb. So both make it is in present form. Now Rachit is preparing for the national boxing championship. Now question number 2. She is searching for her new dress. Means at present she is looking somewhere, she has kept the new dress she is searching for. Is used because she is singular. Number 3. I am watching a TV show on chimpanzees. Here as I told you I is there. So where there is I, in present form the sentence is there. or present tense, the sentence, or the present time that sentence is or work is going on. There we have to use am. You can see am watching. Watching is the main verb, am is the helping verb. Question number 4. It is raining heavily since morning. Here I is omit, so it is, question is it is. It is singular. So it is raining heavily, is raining is the helping verb, is raining is the main verb. Is used when the verb is singular, that is it. Here children, little mistake is there. I is omitted, so I am telling you this, it is it. It is a singular subject. We are collecting money for a charity. We is a plural subject, so are is used. Earlier also I have told you children, when the subject is plural we have to use we. Next we will move on to exercise number C. Here you have to circle the correct verb in the sentence. Circle the incorrect verb in the sentence. The dogs are chasing the cat all over the house. Here the dog is singular, but you see the incorrect verb is are. It should be what? The dog is chasing the cat all over the house. The incorrect part of the verb or sentence is the verb, it is are. It should be is because subject is singular. Question number 2. The children is helping mother wash the car. Children is plural, so you cannot write is there. The correct answer is the children are helping mother wash the car. Are helping. Question number 3. I are the monitor for the next term. Here I is the wrong helping verb used here because, as I told you, if I is there, the sentence in the present form, then it should be am. Correct answer is I am the monitor for the next term. Question number 4. Arun am going to sing in the school choir next week. Arun is singular, it should be Arun is going to sing in the school choir next week. So Arun is singular, it should be not am, it should be is. Exercise 3 is also, C is also over children. Now, okay, this lesson is over children. The lesson as well as the exercise I have discussed in front of you now. It is very important children, you please watch these videos, especially the video which I am sending to you. It is very important because grammar, without grammar you cannot write a correct sentence in English. Grammar is the foundation of English. So it is important you should know every part of grammar, whether it is part of speech or tense or anything else. You should know it correctly. To know it correctly, you have to watch this video repeatedly at home. And if having any doubt regarding this video or whatever I have told in the video, you can ask me later on. I will be very happy if you ring to me, if you ask to me regarding your doubt. I am there to help you. No doubt about that. Children, thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Stay at home, stay safe, and I am sure you are using the time in a very fruitful way. The time which is very important now, if you use it properly, not only to entertain yourself but to know something regarding your studies and to gain knowledge, this new way of teaching, online teaching. If you watch it, if you follow it, if you prepare your part by seeing these videos, taking the tips from these videos, it will be a great help for you to overcome this problem, and it will be helpful for you in future to know more about the subject or the lessons which we are teaching, which is there in your course. Thank you children for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye.